Hi, I am Charles Van Kessler, the creator of Passion for Life, a liquid vitamin and mineral product like none other. It's powerful and effective, and it works. Today I want to talk to you about your immune system. I want to give you the truth about your immune system that you maybe never have heard before. It is a known fact that many health problems originate from a weak immune system. A strong immune system protects you against many diseases as well as inflammation. Generally, health living strategies and supplementation with a high-grade liquid multivitamin and mineral product is a great way to start giving your immune system the upper hand. All parts of your body and mind function better when your immune system is strong and healthy. Some of the strategies include some of the following. Take a daily liquid multivitamin and mineral product. Maintain a healthy weight. Drink lots of alkaline water throughout the day. Don't smoke. Exercise regularly. Drink alcohol only in moderation. Get adequate sleep and eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. There is some evidence that various nutritional deficiencies, for example, deficiencies of zinc, selenium, folic acid, copper, and vitamins A, B6, B12, C, and E, alter your immune responses. Taking a liquid multivitamin and mineral supplement brings you the health benefits you need.